How to redeem YouTube premium code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to redeem your YouTube premium code. In order to redeem your YouTube premium code, all you have to do is check your internet connection and then open up your YouTube application. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page, and from here you can go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the profile page, and here click the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the interface. So this is going to look something like this. So right over here, go to purchases and membership, and in order to get a premium account, go ahead and tap the premium button. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the learn more button, and as soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the premium page. So right over here, go ahead and tap on try it for free button located right at the bottom, and from here you can go ahead and tap on add credit card or debit card. So after you tap on add credit card or debit card, it's going to take you to the other interface, where all you have to do is just provide in your card details or the redemption code details, and then click the redeem button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully redeemed your code. So in this way you can redeem code for YouTube Premium. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.